Hello, and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Virgo. I'm Jamie Kale Miller, and with me is...
Hello, guys. I'm Julia Mijas, and hi there, Virgo. I have a few things to tell you about your career this month. Well, there's a number of planets actually in your fourth house. This house is opposite the career house. It's the house of home. So basically, this tells me that there's a lot of things that are pulling your attention to your home life. That means that it's probably pulling you a little away from your career this month. Now, Saturn is in your seventh house. It's been here since March, and it's going to be here for a couple more years. And when Saturn enters the seventh, it actually comes up from underneath the Earth's horizon. And what that means is you are going to start getting a little bit more visibility in the big picture over the next couple of years, even if a lot of your attention is pulled from your work this month. So overall, you will start slowly getting a little bit more visibility as Saturn is coming above that horizon line, but this month you are going to be focused on other things. And Mercury, which rules your 10th house of career, is going retrograde this month in your 5th house. So retrograde times are times of review. And since this is happening in your 5th house of creativity, of fun, you could be reviewing and going over and thinking about your career in terms of, are you having enough fun at your job? Are you as creative as you'd like to be on your job? Or do you feel like your job is just way too routine and that there's no room for creativity whatsoever? You might also be wondering whether you should be turning one of your hobbies into a career somehow with Mercury retrograde in the 5th house. And also there might be some miscommunications that do crop up at work during this retrograde cycle. And I know that Jamie's got some things to tell us about relationships too this month.
Yeah, relationships and finance. I have some thoughts for you, Virgo. Beginning with the new moon that's happening on December 12th, which is going to bring a lot of your focus to family and partnership too. And that's partially because Juno is traveling your first house this month. She's the asteroid goddess of committed relationships. So you may identify with this archetype over the course of the month. She's going to be in your first house all month. So if you are partnered, this is going to really bring your focus to your partnership. And it applies equally to business partnerships as well. So a lot of focus on partnerships in general and on being a good partner to your partner. So this new moon in Sagittarius landing in your 4th house is going to bring a lot of energy to that and the feeling of new beginnings and fresh starts. Now, particularly the week surrounding December 21st is going to bring great conversations with your partners of all kinds. And so because Juno is in the 1st and Venus is in your 3rd house of communication, Venus, the love goddess, the total charmer, in your house of communication, means that December 21st is a terrific time to be having the hard conversations. So if there is something that you need to broach with a partner, save it for the week around December 21st, because those conversations are likely to go a lot more smoothly at that time. So in the realm of finance, money, as with many of the themes of this month, is really in the domestic sphere quite a bit. Ceres is in Sagittarius in your 4th house. And I want to say that Ceres loves being in Sagittarius because the generosity and the sheer feeling of confidence and abundance that is built right into Sagittarius is a wonderful environment for Ceres, goddess of food, body, money, and our connection to the physical world, to really thrive in. So there could be a windfall this month that happens to your household. And if it does happen, use it to pay down debt in the last week of the month. And the thing about Ceres and Sagittarius is that she can be a little bit easy come, easy go. So if that windfall does come, as it is likely to, don't just let it flow through your hands into whatever you want to spend it on. Catch it in your butterfly net and save it in the last week of the month to pay down some debt. And this will leave you feeling better about yourself and your debt situation as well.
Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
You can find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with us. And you can also find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos. Bye-bye.